Hello everyone, welcome down for Outdoors. Today I'm going to be showing the filleting process of a huge walleye. This is Zach's 24-inch walleye from before, and it's time to fillet it. I use a specific technique that I use with perch usually, so I'm going to be using a GoPro to show the process as well. Well, the first thing you want to do is grab behind the fin and cut at a slight angle. Right behind the fin. And you want to do the same thing with the other side. This has been thawing for 3 days, 2 to 3 days in the freezer. So it's very slimy. Okay, so first of all, we want to start with the cheek meat. Right here, you want to take your knife in and kind of go at it in a circle. Can't grab the dang thing off. There we go. One piece of cheek meat. Oh, I missed some, that's okay. Okay, so the next step, put it on its side and right along the spine here, put the knife in, start cutting along right next to the spine. Okay, leave a little bit there. So now, wow, there's a lot of meat. You slide along, right along the spine, and you'll feel bones as you're going in. That's why you don't want to press. You want to make sure you have a knife that's nice and sharp, that you don't have to put a lot of effort into. You can hear it. That's the rib cage. So you want to make sure you don't cut through it when you're using this strategy. And once you get down to the rib cage, okay, let's cut a little bit to the side there. I'm going to start cutting at a slant. See, I got a little bit of that spine there. There we go. There we go. Nice and easy. Man, there's a lot of meat on this. A lot of bones. Here we go. There's one fillet done. Wow, that's a lot of meat. So that's right here. That's the rib cage. You can hear it. So that means this should be a completely boneless fillet. And that is our first fillet. Look how much meat there is. Check that out.
Good job.
You do the same thing on the other side. Just cut along the spine. Same thing here. From the top, slide down right along that cut. No effort. Just make sure you go nice and slow and you don't cut through these bones that you can hear. Once you hit a bone, start to tilt just a tiny bit, just to get right past that rib cage, as you can see here. Fillet number 2. Now I have to take it off the skin. So to take the fillet off of the skin, I'm gonna grab it from one side. I'm gonna cut this end off here. So you grab it from the skin, get the knife under, and you start horizontally sliding the knife upwards. Getting all of that meat off the skin without missing any. Completely boneless, just slimy. And here's the other one. Hold down on one side, just slide your knife up along with the skin. And that is another good fillet. And there we have it, 2 nice boneless fillets from this walleye. Hope you enjoyed this video and you learned from it. If you like this video, like it, comment what you think, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.